Well, some of those tech companies have seen their share prices soar this year, but not every company's been so fortunate. Seema Modi takes a look at some stocks that went to the dogs this year, but that some market pros say could turn into 2014 darlings.
Dogs to darlings, when some of the biggest losers one year turn into rising stars the next. It's a trend portfolio managers keep an eye on.
It is almost a Wall Street tradition, but not one lightly taken. And especially in a year where you've seen significant outperformance by many stocks.
It happened last year when Bank of America more than doubled, one of the top gainers in the S&P 500, a year after it lost 58%. Signs of a recovery in the housing market and better than expected earnings were good for bank stocks in 2012. On the other hand, Best Buy, Hewlett-Packard, Pitney Bowes, and Cliffs Natural were among the worst performing stocks on the S&P 500 in 2012. But Best Buy and Pitney Bowes became two of the darlings in 2013, up triple digits. Hewlett-Packard is also a winner, but Cliffs Natural continued barking, falling sharply this year. So who has a chance to go from dog to darling next year? Peabody Energy, Newmont Mining, Cliffs Natural Resources, and Teradata are on this year's list of worst performing stocks. When it comes to the miners, analysts are cautious, citing the volatility that we've seen in the price of precious metals like gold and silver. For Cliffs Natural, Hugh Johnson says it's all about the economy.
What really matters to this company is the economy has to do well. The economy is going to do a little better in 2014 and a little better in 2015.
For Peabody Energy, the bulls say the company did just come off a strong beat in earnings, but the bears are arguing that it came from cutting costs. Plus, coal demand in general is slower than usual. As for Teradata, a data warehousing firm, Morgan Stanley analyst cites concerns over its lack of growth overseas. The analysts overall seem to be a bit cautious about this year's dogs, wondering whether the economy will be strong enough to turn them into darlings in 2014. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Seema Modi.